Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice with chicken. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 cups of long grain rice and 2 cups of chicken broth. For the chicken, 1 pound of boneless, skinless thighs or breasts works perfectly. Don't forget a small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a tablespoon of olive oil to start. Now, let's get that chicken cooking. Season your chicken pieces generously with salt, pepper, and any other spices you love. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Sear the chicken for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until it's beautifully golden brown. Once done, remove the chicken and set it aside for a moment. Next, we'll build the flavor for our rice. In the same skillet, add the chopped onion and garlic, sautéing for 2 to 3 minutes until fragrant. Stir in 1.5 cups of rice, toasting it for about 1 minute until it's slightly translucent. Pour in 2 cups of chicken broth, bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat, cover, and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Finally, let's bring it all together for a delicious meal. Once the rice is cooked, gently fluff it with a fork. Shred or dice your seared chicken into bite-sized pieces, then stir it into the rice, making sure it's evenly distributed throughout. For an extra touch, you can garnish with some fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro. Enjoy your homemade chicken and rice.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.